Hey everybody, it's Paul Mack here from Melbourne Against Chemtrails. All around Australia, New Zealand, in the UK, US, Canada, we're having a geo-engineering protest today. So just saying hi to all my friends out there, and thank you for getting out today and raising awareness to this message. It's vital that we wake up as many people as we possibly can, and that's why we're here. So our agenda today really is to hand out information to the members of the public after we have an address on the State Parliament building just over here, and you know, wake people up to what's going on with geoengineering and chemtrails throughout the world. So, you know, if you haven't joined a protest yet, I would suggest to you that it's a really good idea. It's safe. I mean, you can see the people here. There's no dramas, no hassles. We've got a public right to protest, and we should be exercising that right before it's taken away from us, and we lose that ability to let people know what's going on. So, you know, if you're thinking about joining a protest, I'd encourage you, in fact I'd implore you to come and join with us. We're having quarterly protests, but there's plenty of protests going on around the world right now that you can engage, and if there's nothing in your local community, then come and talk to me on Facebook. I'm more than happy to plug you into groups that may be near you or around you, and get you involved in the global movement against geoengineering. Our goal is to have a ban and full government disclosure on geoengineering. That's what we're working towards, and we'd like it if you joined with us, so we have some numbers and we get some momentum, and we can take that to the government and say, look, we've got, you know, anecdotal, empirical evidence as well. You know, please disclose to us what it is you're doing. We want environmental impact studies, health studies done, and ultimately a ban and a moratorium put in place on geoengineering until it's fully understood what we're trying to do via weather manipulation and weather modification. So yeah, that's it. Come and join with us. Hope you enjoy the footage from the protest today. It'll be edited and sent out to you guys so you can see what a protest is like. So hope you really enjoy it today, and you know, get a burn to join the next protest in your area. See you soon. Our plan, as we've lodged with you, is that we'll head down Burke Street to Swanston Street, down Swanston to Federation Square. Okay, we're here today to let the government know that we are very disappointed in their actions, and those actions are allowing covert geoengineering programs to exist throughout Australia. So right throughout Australia today there are protest groups doing exactly what the same as we're doing throughout 9 locations, a further 3 locations in New Zealand, and overseas in the UK, US, Canada. People are also joining with us on the 20th to be heard and make a difference. So, you know, to be sprayed from above is a terrifying thing, but to not be informed about it is even worse. So we're concerned that the government has no oversight on these spraying activities, on their geoengineering programs, and that they're not accountable to anyone for what's being sprayed from these planes in the sky. So it's patently obvious to anyone who's looked and researched that this is in fact occurring, that globally there are geoengineering programs, and that chemicals such as aluminium, barium, strontium, sulfur dioxide, silver iodides, those sorts of things are being sprayed into the atmosphere to generate you know, extensive cloud cover. Ostensibly, you know, in the geoengineering documentation that's readily available online and produced by government bodies and scientific bodies, they're saying that they're using these trails to spread out into clouds and reflect sunlight. Be that the case, the fact of the matter is the chemicals are still falling to the earth. We're seeing flora and fauna die. We're seeing aluminium showing up in soil and plant matter, and it's a very highly flammable material. Not only that, it's falling on the food bowls. It's falling into the food that we eat and into our water. So everything we're drinking is being saturated with aluminium. And we're not happy about it. So our goal today is to raise awareness and try and get more people awake to what's going on above their heads every day, and legitimise the aspect of us speaking publicly about it, and let the government know that we're not going to go away. We're not going to take this lying down. We're going to stand up. We're going to do something about it. We're going to speak our mind, and we're going to keep doing this until we're being listened to. Right now, they're just denying that this is even taking place. There's a whole thing that it's just contrails when patently it's obviously that it's not. So we'll cross over at these lights when it's appropriate. We'll stay on the left-hand side all the way down to Burke Street Mall, Swanston Street, and then we'll turn left down the pavement, Swanston Street to Federation Square. We'll head over there and set up. If we can get people to break into teams, then we can also grab each corner of Flinders and Swanston. And there's a bunch of information that I've made available to be handed out today as we talk to members of the public. So let's make some noise and let them know that we're here to make a difference. Cheers.
Please stop geo-engineering. It's not good for our Good morning, dear people. We are marching against geo-engineering. We're making people aware.
Stop spraying our skies! Stop telling lies!
Why is our government letting them spray us with chemicals? يا سلام يا
How many people you reckon you got?
Last count we were around 60. I'm expecting some stragglers, so we should go up to around about 80.
You've got a bit of an audience around too.
85. Yeah, look, we're just here to raise awareness. From what we're doing here now, from now on, is basically just breaking into teams. We're getting information flyers like you've got in your hand there, and we're getting those out to members of the public. We just want people to be aware, because not enough people are aware of this issue.
Yeah, I think, look, you know, hey, it sounds like it's a good cause. So, and
We see them end up looking like the real cloud.
Yeah,
we don't want that.
No, nobody wants that.
no, we don't like that at all. Don't want it at all. And the government's not telling us why they're doing this. You know, it's happening all over the world. No, it doesn't surprise me, Darren, at all. But the thing is that I don't believe there's any environmental impact studies. There's no health studies that are being done, and people are obviously being affected by these sprays and being poisoned. So
do you think that they want to open that can of worms?
No, they don't, because they know they'll be in big trouble. And
Geo-Engineering.
Melbourne against chemtrails and Geo-Engineering. Yeah. So we're on Facebook. There's 430 of us at the moment. We're part of an Australian-wide network of groups, Australians Against Chemtrails, and the Australian-New Zealand Geo-Engineering protest. So.
No dramas. Very peaceful protest.
Security team, we've got an email dialogue with them. So look, we want to keep everything within the bounds of the law, and public safety is obviously.
I was watching. I watched you walking down. Everyone was stopping for the red van. It was great.
Yeah. That we are being sprayed from above without our permission. The government is doing this with no public oversight. There's no environmental impact studies that have been done. There's no health studies that have been done. And tests that the public are doing are turning up high amounts of aluminium, strontium, barium, and that's all contained in here in this information. So please come and get some, and feel free to hand them out to members of the public. We can do that on all corners of the square, and or just move around this area.
Stop spraying our skies. Stop telling lies. Do you believe what's in your newspapers, your media? Do they tell you the truth, or are they paid shills? Have they got a vested interest in you being a nice little guinea pig that knows nothing? Whatever you do, guys, don't Google chemtrails, because if you do, it will frighten the living stuffing out of you. Google chemtrails, don't do it.
We're in Melbourne here today to protest about chemtrails that the government knows nothing about. What we think of as the government of Victoria is actually a private business that's registered in Washington DC.
Okay, we're here today protesting against geoengineering and chemtrails, and I've come along to bring along some orgonite. This orgonite is metal shavings and quartz crystal, and it cleans up harmful frequencies from electromagnetic and microwave energy. So it's ideal near your digital TV or your computer, Wi-Fi, your smart meter. A lot of people are having problems with smart meters, they're making them crook. These in the box will clean up that harmful frequency. Also, we bury them under the microwave towers they're putting up everywhere these days. They're really quite harmful. They broadcast a nasty frequency over the whole community. And we found by putting one or two of these selectively hidden close to the microwave tower, it'll change that harmful frequency. So, yeah, it's been a good day here today. A lot of people are becoming more aware of the chemtrail spraying issue that they're manipulating us with. And these little orgonites, they're really good for home and household protection.
يا سلام يا سلام